Hi guys, let's try to do an assignment today for the filter flow. So anytime you open the Power BI report, one product suddenly show zero sales, but you know the data exists. In this video, I will solve a real-time Power BI assignment and uncover how to filter flow a relationship silently break your number. So let's suppose you're working some as a Power BI developer in a company and you got a message from your analytics team like this message I pop up in front of you and you need to diagnose the problem. So problem is what? Hey there, we got another problem. Larry from the sales team just saw me a screenshot. I think he must have downloaded our Power BI model and messed up in some relationship because I know we had sales from your product 338. Can you help me diagnose what's going on and prevent him from doing his what he did wrong? So this is our problem. We got a message. So what is our key objective? Key objective is replicate Larry's matrix blow to diagnose what he must have gone to the model. Because she gave me a screenshot like this and there was no 338 sales. So 338 sales which products belongs to and why Larry matrix show any order and hide any remaining foreign key to the prevent other user from the making this same mistake. So this is a hints we need to give the bi-directional relationship as a temporary change to check what the Larry metrics are doing. So that is the our task for today, and let's try to do it in the Power BI. So before doing it, let's take the what is a solution we need to do. The solution is this: Larry must have changed the relationship between the uh, return data and the product lookup to the bidirectional and the filter matrix using the product ID from the return table, right? And this ID 338 belongs to this product, and 338 doesn't exist in the return table, so it was executed when the filtered context passed to the sales table. So what we need to do, we need to hide all the keys from the return table that was going the problem, and this problem not come one more time in the next. So let's jump on the Power BI and do the solutions. I'll open the Power BI. Okay, so let's jump on the here and check what she did. Actually, let's take the uh, key from the product table and check there is a exist 338 product or not. So select here, remove the directory key from here. I need the product key this time. So let's check if 338 is exist. What we did? Okay, we need to short again. Yeah. So where is 33? Yeah, 338 is sales 50 time, but there is no return. So what she did? She actually don't taking the product key from the product lookup. She was taking the key from the return table. So what happened? There was no any product like this 338. See, 36 to 40. There is no any product. Why it is showing so? Because there is no return on this. And in the screenshot, there was a number here. So what she did? She actually went to the this uh, model and put the bidirectional here. Property equal to bidirectional. That's why Larry was seeing the number here, but no sales from the 338, right? Let's check what is the product of 338. Just click here the lookup table and check what is the 338. What is this one? 338 is this product. And this product is sold 50 times but not returned. So that is the problem. So how would we solve it? We should hide all the, we should take the single direction and hide key, product key from here, from the date and the right key. So no one can use this. It will be hide. I'll go there in the Power BI model and check the our return data. There is only the return quantity over there. So remove it and take it from the product ID, product key from the product lookup. So this time this data will exist. 338. See, so this is our solution and for this assignment. See you in the next lecture where I will have to explain more about the model layout, data format, category, and all this thing. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.